I feel like that's always a big question. Is it the founder that wins? Is it the market that wins? Is it the
Yeah.
business, the execution? I tend to believe that the market, in a lot of ways, you can't beat and outrun the scale and size of the market. If there's a small market, it's super fragmented, it's really hard to scale. I think the best founders will still do their best, but I think can still struggle. Um, and in many cases, people are not creating new markets, they're building or expanding within existing markets. And so the market you choose as a founder, I think, matters a lot. And it can dictate a lot about your fundraising path and how easy it is to acquire customers and your path to scale and all of those kind of things. Um, excuse me. But at the same time, I think you can be too early to market, you can be too late. And that's really hard to time, particularly at the early stage when you're building something that could be 5, 7 years out for like the biggest companies to be excited about to opt into. And so I think what we try to lean into is, okay, what is the insight that the founder has and that we have as we think about a market for why change is coming, why change is inevitable, and why it's a long-term trend, right? Not, a quick blip in the cycle, where everyone's trying to build on blockchain or everyone's trying to use a certain type of AI. What is the true enduring type of change? What are the demographic shifts that are happening? What are the, shifts in terms of employment structures and all of those things? And I think that has just to be a really unique insight, has to be a long-term trend. And yeah, you have to, it's hard to time, but I think if the insight is strong enough and the trend is long lasting enough, and the market's big enough, then you can tend to, navigate through that well. But I think it's really hard.